Imagine waking up every morning to money deposited into your account, even though you didn't work a single hour that day. That's not a dream. It's passive income, and in 2025, it's more accessible than ever before thanks to the internet, automation, and AI tools. In this video, we'll break down the top proven methods to build passive income online in 2025, from digital products and affiliate marketing to YouTube automation and AI-powered websites. So, if you're ready to unlock your earning potential and achieve financial freedom, buckle up. Let's dive in. One of the easiest and most scalable passive income streams is digital products. Think about it. You create the product once, and it can sell forever on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy, or Teachable. The best part? You don't need a huge audience to get started. Plus, you can set your own prices and control your profit margins. And here's the kicker. In 2025, AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are your secret weapons. ChatGPT can help you write compelling ebook copy or course outlines in hours, not weeks. With a little creativity and the right tools, you can build a sustainable passive income stream that works for you 24/7. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of my favorite ways to generate passive income, and for good reason. It's all about recommending products and earning a commission when someone buys through your unique link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products. You're essentially leveraging the hard work of other companies and getting a cut of the profits for sending customers their way. So, how do you get started? You need a platform to promote these products. This could be a blog, a faceless YouTube channel, Instagram Reels, TikToks, or even email newsletters. Once your content is out there, whether it's a blog post, YouTube video, or social media post, it keeps bringing in traffic and sales passively. Authenticity is key to building trust and long-term success with affiliate marketing. Let's be real, not everyone dreams of being a YouTube star, but what if I told you that you can crush it on YouTube without ever showing your face? That's right, YouTube automation is blowing up in 2025, and it's a goldmine for passive income. You can create engaging, faceless videos using stock footage, AI-generated voiceovers, and simple editing software. Think about evergreen topics that people are always searching for, like finance, motivation, technology, or even top 10 lists. These videos can rank well in search results and generate views for months, even years, without needing constant updates. You can earn from AdSense revenue, affiliate links in your video descriptions, sponsorships from brands looking to reach your audience, and even by promoting your own digital products. Imagine having a library of automated videos working for you 24/7, generating passive income while you focus on other projects or simply enjoy your life. Focus on quality, research your topics thoroughly, and use AI tools to enhance your videos, not replace your creativity entirely. Start building your faceless empire today. AI-powered niche websites, your content machine. Remember when building a website felt daunting and technical? Those days are long gone, my friends. In 2025, AI is your website building sidekick, making it easier than ever to create profitable niche websites that generate passive income. So, what exactly is a niche website? It's a small blog or content hub laser-focused on a single topic. The key is to choose a niche you're passionate about, and that has the potential for profit. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can help you generate high-quality, SEO-optimized content at lightning speed. Surfer SEO can analyze your content and suggest improvements to boost your search engine rankings, driving even more organic traffic to your site. Once your website is up and running, you have multiple monetization options. You can earn passive income through Google AdSense, affiliate links for products related to your niche, and even sponsored content from brands looking to reach your targeted audience. As you consistently publish high-quality content and build authority in your niche, your website traffic and income potential will continue to grow. Selling stock assets. Turn your skills into passive income. Are you a creative soul with a knack for photography, music, or video editing? What if I told you that you can turn those passions into a passive income stream? That's right, selling stock assets online is a fantastic way to monetize your skills and earn money while you sleep. Think about it. Every website, blog post, and marketing campaign needs high-quality visuals and audio. If you love photography, you can sell your stunning photos on platforms like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, and Adobe Stock. Musicians, you can license your catchy tunes or sound effects on Audio Jungle, Epidemic Sound, and Pond5. And if video editing is your jam, websites like Pond5, Shutterstock, and Adobe Stock are always hungry for high-quality stock footage and motion graphics. The beauty of selling stock assets is that it's a true set-it-and-forget-it passive income stream. Once you upload your photos, music, videos, or designs, they're available for purchase by millions of potential buyers worldwide. Print on demand. Merch without the hassle. Ever dreamed of launching your own clothing line or selling cool merchandise? Print on demand makes it possible without the headaches of inventory, shipping, or upfront costs. Here's how it works. You create unique designs for t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, posters, mugs, tote bags, you name it. Then you partner with a print-on-demand platform like Redbubble, TeeSpring, Printify, or Printful. These platforms connect you with a network of printers and shippers who handle everything after a customer places an order. And the best part? In 2025, you don't even need to be a design wizard to create eye-catching merch. AI tools like Midjourney and Leonardo AI can help you generate stunning artwork, logos, and illustrations in seconds. The possibilities are endless, and the earning potential is huge. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur and build a passive income stream from your creativity, print on demand is your secret weapon. Licensing and royalties. Let your creations work for you. If you're a creator at heart, whether you're a musician, photographer, videographer, or even a software developer, licensing and royalties can be your golden ticket to building long-term passive income. If you create music, you can license your tracks for use in commercials, TV shows, films, video games, and even other artists' projects. Photographers, you can license your stunning images to stock photo websites, magazines, websites, and businesses for use in their marketing materials. And videographers, your footage can be licensed for documentaries, corporate videos, and online content. Even software developers can get in on the action. You can license your software to individuals or businesses for a one-time fee or recurring subscription. If you've ever dreamed of writing a book, self-publishing on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allows you to earn royalties every time your book sells. The beauty of licensing and royalties is that your creations continue to generate income for you long after you've created them. So, if you're passionate about creating and want to build a passive income stream from your talents, explore the world of licensing and royalties. Invest and automate. Put your money to work. Now let's talk about true passive income, the kind where your money works for you, even while you sleep. One of the easiest ways to get started is by investing in dividend-paying stocks. These are companies that share a portion of their profits with shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis. Platforms like Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Public make it incredibly easy to buy and sell stocks, even with a small amount of money. Another option is crypto staking. This involves holding certain cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet to support the security and operations of a blockchain network. If you're interested in real estate but don't want the hassle of being a landlord, REITs or real estate investment trusts are a great option. By starting early, investing consistently, and diversifying your portfolio, you can put your money to work for you and build long-term wealth. Bonus: build once, earn forever. The passive income mindset. We've covered a ton of strategies in this video, but here's the secret sauce, the underlying principle that ties it all together: build once, earn forever. The goal is to create assets that continue to generate income with minimal effort after the initial work is done. This could be a blog with evergreen content that attracts organic traffic for years, a YouTube channel with automated videos that generate AdSense revenue, an online course that sells on autopilot, or an ebook that continues to bring in royalties. The key is to focus on creating something valuable, something that solves a problem, entertains, or educates your audience. Be patient, be consistent, and focus on building assets that compound over time. Embrace the build once, earn forever mindset and watch as your passive income streams grow into a river of financial freedom. Passive income isn't just for the rich or tech geniuses anymore. It's for anyone willing to learn, create, and be consistent. So what's stopping you? Choose one method from this video and start building your passive income stream today. Let us know in the comments. Which strategy are you going to try first? And if you want more videos on making money online, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for future uploads. Thanks for watching Money Via, where your online income journey begins.